Why does your scanner show the P0508 engine code? And what does it mean? P0508 is a diagnostic trouble code for idle air control system circuit low. This error code indicates an idle air control system circuit low condition. This means the powertrain control module has detected a lower than expected voltage signal or current in the electrical circuit that controls the idle air control system. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Carbon buildup in the throttle body. Engine vacuum leaks. Wiring issues. PCM issues. Vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs most commonly in vehicles with electronic throttle control or traditional IAC systems. It appears frequently in certain makes and models due to IAC valve or throttle body issues. It is commonly found in Subaru, Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.